So now, over here in the basket, we're going to be putting a bottle of wine straight here in the middle. There are many different types of wine to choose from. There are dessert wines, there are fancier wines, there are dry wines, there are sweet wines, there's white wine, there's red wine, lots of different options. There's liqueurs. So we have to choose the wine that we're going to put in based on the client who's receiving the wine, based on what's going to look good in the basket. Take for instance, this is a bottle of chocolate liqueur. The bottle is beautiful, nice glass bottle. It's a bottle they could keep afterwards for decoration. They could put little rocks inside. People could put it in their dining room, in a sitting room. It can look beautiful, especially if you have many for decoration. So this is an option that we can put in. This, let's say, is a liqueur, a banana liqueur. Some people enjoy it. There's nothing particularly special about the bottle. It looks nice, but there's nothing special about it. I wouldn't necessarily use it in an elegant basket. Over here, we have a dry red wine. It's packaged very nicely. The shape of the bottle is a little bit different than normal. It comes with a bamboo cover on it. It makes it look a little bit different. It's very nice. It's also an option. Might not necessarily fit so well into this basket, but it's an option. And so over here, we have a very nice sweet wine, a sweet white wine. It's definitely an option that we could put into the basket. I think for today we're looking for something with a little bit more color. I don't think that the white would blend in so well into the basket. So for today, we're going to choose to use a very nice Cabernet Sauvignon, a dry red wine, which will also look nice in the basket, which will also be great to for the person who's getting it, especially if they like Cabernet Sauvignon, which many people do. And this is what we're going to choose to use to put into our basket for today.